Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can go ahead and buy bread on Coinbase Wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to your browser, and in here you want to head over to this site, which is coinmarketcap.com, and from there you want to go ahead and find the coin that you are looking for. In our case, it's going to be bread coin, and once inside you want to scroll down and you could just go ahead and copy the contract address right here. Now after copying the contract address, you want to go ahead and open up Coinbase Wallet, and from here you can just go ahead and click on the 9 lines at the edge of your screen. Scroll down until you find the Coinbase Wallet, and you will be taken to the Google Play Store or App Store depending on the device that you are using. You can just go ahead and install the application for Coinbase Wallet. And once inside the Coinbase Wallet application, you can just go ahead and click on the browser icon at the bottom of your screen, and from there you want to go ahead and find Uniswap. So you can just go ahead and scroll down until you find Uniswap right here, but basically you can go ahead and use any swap platform you wish to use. And from there, you can just go ahead and click on the connect wallet to go ahead and connect your wallet to the coin exchange right here. In our case, it's going to be Coinbase Wallet. And from there, you could just go ahead and swap your coin by clicking on this icon right here. So if you have USDC, SOL, USDT, or more, you can just go ahead and choose the currency that you have on your account. And from there, we will then go ahead and paste the address that we have copied earlier. In our case, it's going to be this address right here. And right after selecting bread, as you can go ahead and see, you now have to enter the amount that you want to trade to the bread coin. So for just an example, if I have 70 SOL, I'll just go ahead and enter 70 right here, and I'll go ahead and get 39.8405 for bread. Scroll down and you have to click on this button. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.